Hi, everybody. This is the week of September 10th to September 17th, 16th. Whatever. This is the weekly plan for meals this week. Monday, we're going to have garlic, shrimp, and chicken with rice and salad. I'm going to do the chicken drumsticks in the oven with just some Old Bay seasoning and lemon juice. It's really good. My family loves it. Tuesday, we're going to have that Hungarian beef galushepi or whatever it's called. I did a freezer meal of it. I'll link it up above and of the freezer meal of it. I'm going to take it out and we're going to do that for supper with egg noodles and corn on the cob. Wednesday, we're getting inspired by young Sheldon. His favorite meal is spaghetti with hot dogs, so that is what we're going to have there to use some of the hot dogs in my freezer. Thursday, we're going to have some kofta, some pierogi, some samosas, and some corn. No, rice and tomato salad. So that is what we're going to have on Thursday. Friday, we're going to have pierogies and torture pie as I jokingly call it, and some corn on the cob, as we still have lots of fresh, yummy corn. Saturday, we're going to try a recipe that my husband has asked for twice, fried Korean chicken. So I'm going to link that recipe below from Pinterest. And I'm going to make some corn fritters and some coleslaw. And then Sunday, it's going to be leftovers as well as supper at Nana's. So this is the menu this week. Hopefully it inspires you to try something different. And I'm trying to use what I have and use the ingredients that we have that are in season, as we got lots of tomatoes and corn. So they're going into a lot of things. So have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye, friends.